Title: The Cobbler's Legacy. A tale of kindness and redemption. In the heart of a picturesque village nestled among rolling hills and whispering trees, there dwelled a man whose hands bore the marks of a lifetime spent in service to his craft. Albert, the cobbler, was a figure of quiet strength and unwavering kindness, his weathered face a testament to the hardships he had endured and the joys he had known. As dawn broke over the sleepy village, casting golden hues upon cobblestone streets and thatched-roof cottages, a young girl named Annie set out on a journey that would forever alter the course of her life. With her brother, Smith, in tow, she navigated the familiar pathways with a sense of purpose that belied her tender years. Their destination? The bustling market that served as the heartbeat of their community. A place where dreams were born and destinies were forged amidst a tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that danced upon the breeze. But fate, it seemed, had other plans in store. For as they ventured forth on their journey, Smith's once sturdy shoes began to falter, the threads of time unraveling beneath the weight of countless adventures. Annie's heart sank as she watched her brother stumble, his youthful exuberance dimmed by the harsh reality of their plight. With each faltering step, their hopes dwindled, until at last they found themselves standing before the weathered door of Albert's modest cobbler shop. With a tentative knock, they announced their presence, their hearts heavy with uncertainty. To their surprise, Albert greeted them with a warm smile, his eyes twinkling with a kindness that seemed to transcend the bounds of mere acquaintance. Without a word, he beckoned them inside, his workshop a sanctuary of warmth and familiarity in a world fraught with uncertainty. Annie hesitated, her voice catching in her throat as she explained their predicament. But Albert waved away her concerns with a gentle wave of his hand, his reassuring words a balm to her troubled spirit. With practiced hands and a heart overflowing with compassion, he set to work, his skilled fingers weaving magic into the worn fabric of Smith's shoes. As they watched in awe, Annie couldn't help but marvel at the generosity of the man before her. Here was a soul who had known hardship and sorrow, yet still found the strength to offer aid to those in need. A beacon of hope in a world too often shrouded in darkness. Months passed, and the memory of that fateful day lingered in Annie's mind like a cherished melody, a reminder of the debt of gratitude she owed to the kind-hearted cobbler who had touched her life in ways she could never repay. Then one morning tragedy struck. Albert fell gravely ill, his once strong body succumbing to the ravages of sickness with alarming speed. The village mourned the loss of their beloved cobbler, his absence a palpable presence in the quiet streets and bustling marketplaces that had once been his domain. But amidst the sorrow, a glimmer of hope emerged, a chance for redemption amidst the shadows of despair. For as Albert lay upon his sickbed, his spirit poised on the precipice of eternity, a figure emerged from the shadows, a man whose face bore the unmistakable mark of kinship. It was Dr. Thomas, the village physician, and the father of Annie and Smith, whose own life had been forever altered by the kindness of the cobbler he now sought to repay. With tears in his eyes and a heart heavy with gratitude, he pledged to provide Albert with the best possible care, sparing no expense in his quest to save the life of the man who had once saved his own. And so, as Albert's health slowly began to improve, the village rejoiced, their hearts buoyed by the promise of a brighter tomorrow. A tomorrow made possible by the selfless acts of one man and the enduring legacy of kindness he had left behind. As the years passed, Annie and Smith grew into adulthood, their lives forever intertwined with the memory of the cobbler who had shown them the true meaning of compassion and generosity. And though Albert was gone, his spirit lived on in the countless lives he had touched, a testament to the enduring power of kindness in a world too often plagued by darkness and despair. Moral of the story: in a world where hardship and suffering are all too common, it is the simple acts of kindness that have the power to illuminate even the darkest of days. For in the end, it is not wealth or status that defines a person's legacy, but the love and compassion they share with those around them.